negim kot missing nesuldaen motwet netinye ak chikilisiet notok nebo nyasutikab ndegeisiek en emoni ole kakomuch kotoi kochikil asikobit kenai kele tos ne nekiipchi kobut ndegeit nekimuch kobeten sobonwek biik lo en county nebo Nandi kosubkei ak Alfred Kabunga ne ine ko director nebo kasar en motwet notok netelelchin chikilisiet nebo ndegeinik en emoni komwa kole bendi koboisien kebeberwek cheking'et en nyasutiet noton nebo anan kebeberwek chebo ndegeit noton kimuch kobut en komosaton asikobit kenai kele akinei nekimuch koipchi missing asikobit kobut ndegeit noton. Kora kokamuch komongei PS notok nebo oratinwek Teresia Mbaika akomwa kole akoi keyai chikilisiet en oret neitayat en betusiek 30 chemiten tai ole kasom biikab emet koistoengei ng'ololutik cheyach ak kokochi kasarta motosiek chebo chikilisiet koyai chikilisiet asikobit kenai ole miten imanda.
The components that the investigators have picked from this scene of accident, some of them will be ferried outside the country, particularly to the state of manufacturer and the state of design of the aircraft as required by the protocols of the convention to which Kenya, our country, is a signatory to. The next steps that will follow include the following. One, we are obligated to issue a preliminary report within 30 days of an accident, and therefore next month, around 28th, the Aircraft Accident Investigation Department will be releasing a preliminary report that will give details in terms of circumstances that might have contributed to the occurrence in a preliminary format. We will be moving to ensure that all the parts are secured this evening.
It is expected by the ICAO Convention Annex 13 that immediately an accident happens, it is notified to the all the bodies, the ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization. That was done immediately, and we expect the team to do an investigation and give us a report in the next 30 days, a preliminary report of exactly what happens. And what we want to ask the public, to ask our leaders and everybody, it's not to speculate. I think we have a team that is qualified to tell Kenyan exactly what happens and the circumstances surrounding this accident. So we want to give them that humble time so that they work on the investigation, and a report will be published for all of us.
Again, nguni chitab kolenjin